In this case, it is clear that no such duty has been established. Furthermore, consensual sex also does not amount to torturous
Did
activity.
Greg make that up?
Nope.
So now for all of you all been cussed out when I said, what did you do? And you want to tell me I'm a straw man, he blew down the house. Fuck all that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
What did you do
Right.
specifically?
Yeah, yeah.
TJ must still be asleep. I forgot how he says it. He has this thing that what did
Good.
I do that would require that I pay her any money? So
That I
everybody can
have a
take
financial obligation.
all that other shit y'all been talking about right there. Pretty much has everybody like, oh damn. What did you do specifically that
Yep.
would entitle her to relief? Or the state, whoever's bringing the action. Then you might want to argue about standing. Those are different shows for a different time. Why are you paying support? Is what this is about.
Mhm.
Now,
Yep.
are there any questions?
What case is this again?
It's
Department of Health Services.
Versus right.
yeah. It should be in our resources folder. When you go into your Dropbox, the resources folder should be in there now. If not, just say, hey, Greg, you need to put that in the resources folder in the Dropbox. So everybody go to the Dropbox link.
I want to put this case in my in my. Oh yeah.
What y'all do with it is y'all, it's in the Dropbox. Anybody can, I don't care about
in the Dropbox.
but,
I'm going
but
to drop this here on them too.
It's the concept that I hope everybody understands.
Yeah.
Yeah, to understand the concept, because the punishment there, it's about you having a child with a woman, and you have, consensual sex in private. You had your child in private. Now you have a third party inserting.
That's not the issue. What did I do?
Yeah.
Don't explain what you did. The
Mhm.
argument is you failed to state a claim for which relief is entitled. Might be what you want to say. That's an affirmative defense. Okay,
Yeah.
you had sex. Because I'm guessing if anybody has a copy of their initial complaints, I don't have one. You might have something to say. The parents met, the parents had sex. From the sex, a child was born. The father has the ability to pay support. The child needs support. Issue an order granting support. What the fuck did they say you did? Are you all following now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm following you big time up there.
Kyle, is it making sense to some guys who've never been there? Because this is the place to try to ask questions, and then we'll go and try to find the answer. Ken, what even made me go bring y'all to this? We were talking about what? What made me even bring this up? Because I knew the information, but what made me go and say, here's the case? You remember, Ken, what we were talking about the other day?
Well, we still trying to figure out where's the original complaint and what did I do. That's how we got to this.
So, Ken, like I believe BA and I believe somebody else. Okay, appreciate it, Jamal. That's because we've done some looking and we're missing items out of people's folders or their dockets. And I would highly suggest that everybody go look at your case docket. And by the way, fraternity must be adjudicated against let's see what we got coming here.
You had to go down.
No, I'm trying to make it a highlight. Now I'm gonna change the color to highlight.
Because I'll give an example. When I went to the DOR one day earlier this week and I asked for my original complaint, they gave me the application in which my son's mother filled out. So then again, it's like, where's the original complaint? So in their mind, the original complaint was the application. So that's how we led to this right here. What did I do? How do we get here? So the application doesn't warrant what I did. That's just say what she did to seek support. But that it still doesn't say what did I do? What's the original complaint? So that's where we are right now.
I think you and me are in the same boat on that. I have an original complaint that has a name, the woman's name, my name, the child's name, and a date. There's nothing else. I mean, there's so many. It's 2 pages and 3 lines.
What's the difference that complaint versus application? We got the application.
Well, mine says original complaint, but like Greg is saying, it doesn't say anything. It's just 3 names and a date. And how we determine that this makes me pay? And I was already paying. So if we go back to that, it's like you're already being helped. My question out of what we just talked about here is it seems like that case law is for somebody that hasn't established themselves as the father. What if that's not the case? Because I had to find my way into the birth certificate. So I was already, I think I was already, I am now. So does it change anything?